I want you to feel refreshed, recharged, and ready to face the week. So I'm gonna make you some cough drops with Mullen.